We're here in Melville today. We're going to go to the cosmetics company store factory sale. They sell all of the Estee Lauder products that have been discontinued, normally found in the cosmetics company stores at the Tanger outlets. So we're on the hunt for discontinued MAC products today. Let's see what we find. I'm going to take you along with me. We got some skincare. See you over there. Ooh. One thing I'm trying to do is not just grab, like actually look at what I'm buying because I want it to be value. Like, this looks good. A lot of the shadow sticks, which I love shadow sticks. Pretty blushes. Here's another good. I just loved this one. Oh, they have pink glow. I love pink glow. Okay, MAC lashes is where we want to be right now. Oh, look at this MAC palette. $8. Oh, see if we can find my shade. Really great packs here. All the good stuff. What's this? Here we go. Yeah. Oh my god. Look. Brave. Yes! Oh my god, here's Honey Love. I know someone's gonna want this. Oh my god, they have the old taupe. This is like, you can never find this anywhere. Oh my god, we're about to be in my heyday. Whenever I see MAC lipsticks like this, I always have to get them. I can't believe they have all these Braves. This is the new lip gloss. I can't believe they actually have this here. I got yelled at for using my phone. I used to love these. Melted. They're so good. All right. Look at that. Some good stuff in here. Icons. Well. Power Surge. Power Surge. Champagne pop. Shade. Gorgeous. Oh, brush time. Let's see what they got. This is one of my favorite brushes, the Dual Fiber. Love this one. Alright, got some eyeshadow palettes over here. Nice red. Oh, I didn't know the Ordinary was Estee Lauder. Okay. Happy. I think we're coming to the end. These are some samples. Take the day off on. There we go. A couple Tom Ford things. Beautiful. I think that's it. I think we're done.